Hello guys, I'm Tony. We're going to talk about simple machines.
Just like Tony said, we're going to talk about simple machines. Now you might be wondering what simple machines are. Simple machines is what makes work easier. Simple machines does not do the work for you or creates works. It makes the work you are doing easier. This is a first-class lever. In here, you can see that my hands are the resistance. The blades are the effort. First-class lever is the change direction of force. This is a second-class lever. In here, you can see that this is the fulcrum. The door is the resistance. And Tony, who's pushing the door, he is the force. This is third-class lever. As you can see, this part of my hand will be the fulcrum. The hammer will be the resistance because of its weight, and this will be the force. This is wheel and axle. As you can see, the doorknob is the large radius. Inside the doorknob, you have a smaller radius. When you turn the large radius, it turns the small radius, which makes this possible to go inside. As you can see, right now, I'm turning the large radius, which turns the smaller radius. And that's how this thing goes in.
This is a ramp. It's a perfect example of an inclined plane. As you can see, you use less force taking stuff up a ramp, but you have a larger distance. The stairs takes less distance but requires more force. So that's why the ramp helps make taking the loads up easier. As you can see, Carlos is struggling to carry this stuff up the stairs. But compared to the previous video, he pushed it up easily.
This is a wedge. As you can see, the door stop is the input force. It changes the direction force of the door, which would be the output force. This is an example of a screw. As you can see here, the thread is what makes it easier to close it. It requires less force, but you have more distance. If you didn't have this, you had to pretty much be pressing down, which will be less distance, but a lot more force. This is a pulley. Pulley is the change direction of force, or in a few words, is a fixed change direction. You can see here how it works, as it's just pulling down.
For the crap. So this is a ramp.
The nail is going deeper into the wood. The nail, however, is not changing direction. It's just going straight deeper in distance. This is an example of a screw. As you can see here, what's it called?
The thread.
The thread. Ah, dang. Okay, again.
I do things, I'm the best, I'm American, African American.
The change direction of force, or in a few words, is a fixed change direction. Thank you to my audience, which is just 2 people because it's empty. Yeah.